If you're texting with someone and it's normally a blue text message bubble, but then all of a sudden it switches over to a green message bubble, I'll show you how to get it fixed. So you can see I was texting back and forth with myself. It started off as a blue hi, and then it switched over to a green hi text message bubble sent as a text message. Now you can fix this first by going into your settings. So hop in the settings on your iPhone here. Now the first thing we'll do is go down and we'll go to your message settings. So to do that, we'll go to the very bottom and you're going to look for apps and tap on apps at the bottom. Next, we'll go through and find messages. So scroll down and there's messages. Just tap on messages here. Now we're going to do two things on here. The first one is you can see midway down is iMessage. Toggle off iMessage on your phone and then toggle iMessage back on. You can see it says waiting for activation. This will reactivate your iMessage on your phone, a lot of times fixing it. Now, the next thing we'll do in here is scroll down to get to send as text message. Now, you're going to toggle this off and then wait a few seconds and toggle it back on. We want to reinitiate the sending as an SMS text message, but again, we don't want this overriding your iMessage on your iPhone. That's the first thing that we'll check. But the second thing that we'll check is we'll open up a web browser. So here you can see I have Safari, you can use Chrome, it doesn't matter. Next, we're going to type in speed test and hit go into Google and hit run speed test. The reason why we do this is iMessage or the blue text message bubbles go over your internet, not over your carrier's signal like AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, whatever you may have. So you want to make sure that you have a good and stable internet connection. Anything over a few megabytes per second should be good enough to send a text message. Now, if either one of those don't work, the last thing you can do on your phone is go back into your settings. So tap on settings again, and let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Now, once you're in the beginning of your settings, you'll see towards the bottom is general. Just tap on general. And now all we do is scroll down to the very bottom and hit transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that. And now we're going to choose the second to last option, reset. Tap on reset. And from here, we're going to reset network settings. So tap on the second option here. Enter the passcode in for your phone. And you might need to enter in the screen time passcode as well. And then just hit reset network settings. Now, after going through all of these steps, if it's still sending a green text message bubble, this is because the other person's iPhone needs to basically go through this video and do the exact same steps. If they have airplane mode turned on, or their Wi-Fi and internet turned off, or maybe their entire phone is disabled or turned off or ran out of batteries, it will send a green text message bubble even though there's no problem with your iPhone. The problem is with their iPhone and iMessage up and running on their iPhone to receive your iMessage.